This is quiz 2.07, example 5. We have if 4 times x minus 2 equals x plus 7, then x equals 3. So we have 4, it just repeats our given. Our first step is always, our first statement is always our if statement, and that is our given. Okay, and then we have to distribute this 4 to everything in the parentheses. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. That's the distributive property. Then, so look down here and see what we have, what our next step is going to give us. And it looks like the x over here, something was added to it to make it become 0 because it's not on this side anymore. So you would have to subtract x. So we'll have to subtract x from both sides, shown here. That's the subtraction property of equality. Once we subtract x, we have 3x minus 8 equals 8. Sorry, that should be 7. Equals 7. Sorry about that. That's simplifying. And then we add 8 to both sides. That's the addition property of equality. Once we add 8, we have 3x equals 15. And that is simplifying. And then we divide by 3 on both sides, the division property of equality. And we end up with x equals 3. And that is because we were simplifying.